Hi guys, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So ayan po yung t-shirt na ginawa po natin sa Etsy. It is a customized t-shirt, white t-shirt. It is cotton and available in all sizes. And the small is start at 14.52. So it is 100% cotton and made in USA. And it is available at Etsy on my online store, gift online shop by Alma. And then you can order this nationwide. Thank you so much guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video and also for buying my items. This will help guys to educate my sisters and my nephew in the Philippines.